Have you ever felt exhausted from overthinking every decision, trying to control every outcome, and stressing over things that never seem to go your way? You're not alone. Most of us have been taught that more effort equals more results, that if we just think harder, analyze more, and push through, we will find the answers we're looking for. But what if that's the very thing keeping us stuck? The truth is, the more you try to force a solution, the more resistance you create. Overthinking doesn't lead to clarity, it leads to confusion, doubt, and frustration. The universe already knows the path to your desires. It doesn't need your stress, your worry, or your endless calculations. It simply needs your alignment. Think about the times when things worked out effortlessly, when an opportunity appeared just when you needed it, or when the right person showed up at the perfect moment. That wasn't luck. That was the universe at work. And the moment you step back, trust, and let go, life starts unfolding in ways you never imagined. Stop trying to control everything. Let the universe think for you. Trust that the answers will come not through force, but through flow. In a world that glorifies instant gratification, patience can feel like a challenge. When we set a goal, dream of something greater, or work toward a vision, we often expect immediate results. But the universe does not operate on human timelines. It moves according to divine timing, a rhythm far greater than we can comprehend. Delays are not denials, they are often redirections towards something even better than what we originally envisioned. When something doesn't happen as quickly as you want, it does not mean it will never happen. It simply means that the right circumstances, people, and opportunities are still aligning in the background. Just because you cannot see the progress doesn't mean it isn't unfolding perfectly. Think back to times in your life when things didn't go as planned. Perhaps you wanted a specific job, relationship, or opportunity, only to face rejection or delay. Later, you may have realized that what you received instead was far more aligned with your highest good. This is the universe working behind the scenes, orchestrating events in ways you could never have arranged on your own. Trusting the process means releasing control and surrendering to the flow of life. It means understanding that you are always being guided, even when things appear uncertain. Instead of worrying about when something will happen, focus on aligning yourself with the energy of already having it. Maintain faith, take inspired action, and let go of unnecessary stress. When you truly trust that what is meant for you is already in motion, you free yourself from fear and doubt. You stop chasing, forcing, and overanalyzing. Instead, you step into a state of ease and certainty, knowing that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. The universe is never late, nor is it early. It delivers at the perfect moment. So breathe. Let go of impatience. Trust the process. What is yours is already finding its way to you. Your mind is like a powerful magnet, constantly attracting experiences that align with your dominant thoughts and emotions. Whether you realize it or not, your focus directs the flow of energy in your life. If you continuously think about problems, struggles, and lack, you unknowingly invite more of the same into your reality. But if you train your mind to focus on abundance, joy, and possibilities, the universe responds by aligning circumstances to match that energy. Many people unknowingly live in a cycle of focusing on what they don't have. They say they want success, yet their thoughts are consumed by fears of failure. They wish for financial abundance, but constantly dwell on their bills and debts. The truth is, whatever you give the most energy to, whether positive or negative, grows stronger in your life. To shift your reality, you must first shift your focus. Instead of thinking about what is missing, focus on what is possible. Instead of dwelling on obstacles, train your mind to see solutions. This does not mean ignoring reality. It means choosing to see a reality that serves your highest good. A simple shift in perspective can change everything. One of the most effective ways to redirect your energy is through gratitude. When you focus on what you already have, you create an energy of appreciation, which in turn attracts more things to be grateful for. Visualizing your goals as already achieved, speaking affirmations of success, and surrounding yourself with positive influences are also powerful ways to direct your attention toward the life you desire. You are the creator of your reality, and your energy is the brush with which you paint your life. Direct it wisely. Train your mind to focus on what you want, not what you fear. Believe in the abundance that already exists within and around you. When you align your attention with your desires, the universe cannot help but respond in kind. Your energy flows where your attention goes. Choose to make it flow toward greatness. The more you try to control every detail of your life, the more resistance you create. This need to control stems from the fear that if you don't micromanage every outcome, things won't go your way. But in truth, excessive control only blocks the natural flow of opportunities, solutions, and miracles. Think about the times in your life when you tried to force something to happen. Maybe you pushed too hard for a job, a relationship, or a particular outcome, only to find yourself feeling exhausted, frustrated, or disappointed. That's because resistance creates struggle. When you act from a place of control and fear, you are working against the universe instead of with it. True power comes from surrender. Letting go does not mean giving up or becoming passive. It means trusting that things are unfolding exactly as they should, even when you cannot yet see the full picture. The universe is always at work behind the scenes, orchestrating events in ways beyond human comprehension. When you surrender, you make space for divine timing, unexpected blessings, and effortless solutions. Imagine holding onto a rope that is pulling away from you. The tighter you grip, the more pain you feel. But the moment you release it, the struggle disappears. Life works the same way. The more you try to control outcomes, the more resistance you create. But when you trust, let go, and flow with life, everything falls into place naturally. Instead of asking, how can I make this happen? Shift your mindset to, how can I allow this to happen? Stop forcing, stop worrying, stop chasing. Instead, align with the energy of already having what you desire. Trust that what is meant for you will come effortlessly when the time is right. The universe does not operate through struggle, it operates through alignment. When you release control and surrender to the flow, you open the door for miracles to enter your life. Let go, trust, and watch how effortlessly things unfold. The world you experience is a mirror of your inner state. If you're at peace within, your external reality will reflect that peace. If you are filled with doubt, fear, or negativity, life will seem chaotic, uncertain, and full of struggle. Everything begins from within. You do not attract what you want, you attract what you are. Many people believe that their circumstances shape their mindset, but the truth is the opposite. Your mindset shapes your circumstances. If you carry assumptions of failure, lack, or struggle, the universe will align situations that reinforce those beliefs. On the other hand, if you assume success, abundance, and ease, your reality will shift to match that energy. Negative assumptions are like seeds that grow into unwanted experiences. If you constantly expect things to go wrong, they will. If you expect to be overlooked, you will be. Your energy and beliefs set the stage for how life unfolds. This is why inner alignment is so powerful. Because when you align your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with what you truly desire, manifestation happens effortlessly. So how do you align with the reality you want? Start by shifting your focus inward. Instead of reacting to the external world, create the internal state you wish to experience. If you desire love, embody the feeling of being loved. If you seek abundance, cultivate a mindset of gratitude and sufficiency. Your outer world cannot help but respond to the energy you consistently emit. This is not about forcing positivity or ignoring challenges. It is about choosing a dominant state of being that aligns with your highest vision. When you become intentional about your inner world, the external world follows suit. Opportunities, relationships, and circumstances will begin to align in ways that once seemed impossible. You are not at the mercy of life. Life is at the mercy of your energy. Align from within, and watch as the universe rearranges itself to reflect your newfound state of certainty, peace, and abundance. Inner alignment is the key to effortless manifestation. When you change within, everything outside must change too. Not all action leads to success. Only aligned, inspired action creates meaningful results. Many people believe that the harder they work, the faster they will achieve their goals. But forced effort, driven by stress, desperation, or fear, often leads to exhaustion rather than progress. True success comes when your actions flow naturally, guided by intuition and universal alignment. Inspired action feels different from forced action. It is effortless, exciting, and comes with a sense of ease. It does not feel like a burden, but rather like a natural next step. Think about times in your life when something just felt right, when you met the right person at the right moment, or when an opportunity appeared without struggle. Those moments happen because you were in alignment with the flow of the universe. Forced action, on the other hand, is rooted in control. It often comes from fear that things won't happen unless you push relentlessly. This mindset leads to stress, burnout, and unnecessary struggle. When you try to control every step of the journey, you block the universe from delivering unexpected opportunities and solutions. So how do you take inspired action? The first step is to listen. Pay attention to the subtle nudges, the inner pull towards certain choices, and the effortless ideas that arise. These are signals from the universe, guiding you in the right direction. When you follow them, you will notice that doors open without excessive effort. Trust the timing of your life. Instead of forcing things to happen, allow them to unfold naturally. Action should feel aligned, not strained. The most powerful moves are not the ones you push through with resistance, but the ones that flow effortlessly because they are meant for you. When you align yourself with your desires and trust the process, inspired action will come naturally. You won't have to overthink every step or struggle to make things work. You will simply know what to do next, and everything will fall into place with ease. Let go of force, follow the flow, and watch as the universe works with you. Gratitude is one of the most powerful forces in the universe. It has the ability to shift your energy instantly from lack to abundance, from worry to peace, from struggle to flow. When you focus on what you already have and appreciate it deeply, you align yourself with more of the same. The universe responds by giving you even more reasons to be grateful. Many people approach life from a place of wanting, constantly feeling that something is missing. They believe that once they achieve success, find love, or gain wealth, then they will feel grateful. But the truth is the opposite. Gratitude must come first. When you feel grateful for things before they even manifest, you accelerate their arrival. This is because gratitude is an energy of having, not lacking. When you are grateful for what you already have, you are telling the universe, I am abundant. I have everything I need. And the universe, always responding to your inner state, will reflect that back to you by bringing even more blessings into your life. Think about a time when you truly felt grateful for something, whether it was a small moment of kindness, an opportunity that came your way, or simply the beauty of nature. In those moments, you weren't focused on what was missing. You were in a state of presence, appreciation, and joy. This is the energy that magnetizes more positive experiences. To make gratitude a daily practice, start by appreciating the simple things: the roof over your head, the food you eat, the people who love you. Then take it further, express gratitude for the things you desire as if they have already arrived. Feel the joy, relief, and excitement as if they are already yours. This shift in perspective rewires your energy and signals to the universe that you are ready to receive. The more you appreciate, the more the universe provides. Gratitude is not just a response to blessings, it is the very key that unlocks them. When you live in gratitude, you open the door for endless abundance to flow into your life. The universe is always speaking to you, guiding, nudging, and aligning you with your highest path. But most people are too busy, too distracted, or too doubtful to notice the signs. When you slow down, become present, and open yourself to deeper awareness, you will see that the universe is constantly communicating through synchronicities, symbols, and intuitive messages. There are no coincidences. What you often call random events, meeting the right person at the right time, seeing repeated numbers, hearing the same message from different sources, are actually signs. These are the universe's way of confirming that you are on the right path, or gently redirecting you when you are not. Have you ever thought about someone only for them to call or message you out of nowhere? Have you ever seen the same numbers repeatedly, like 1111, 222, or 777. These are not accidents, they are messages. Angel numbers, song lyrics that resonate deeply, recurring dreams, or even obstacles appearing in your life all have meaning. They are guiding you toward greater clarity and alignment. To receive these signs, you must first believe in them. The more open you are, the more clearly they will appear. Pay attention to feelings, gut instincts, and things that spark an inner knowing. If something keeps showing up in your life, a phrase, an opportunity, or a symbol, pause and ask yourself, what is this trying to tell me? Not every sign will be obvious, but when you trust your intuition, you will begin to recognize patterns. The universe does not communicate through doubt and overthinking, it speaks through stillness and subtlety. When something feels aligned, trust it. When something feels forced, reconsider it. You are never alone in your journey. The universe is always guiding you, sending whispers of direction through synchronicities, dreams, and intuitive nudges. Stay open, stay aware, and most importantly, trust that you are being led exactly where you are meant to be. The signs are always there, you just have to be willing to see them. Life is full of unknowns. No matter how much you plan, prepare, or analyze, there will always be things outside your control. Yet many people spend their lives trying to eliminate uncertainty, fearing what they cannot predict. The truth is, embracing uncertainty with confidence is the key to a peaceful, fulfilling life. Certainty in an uncertain world does not come from knowing every detail of the future, it comes from trusting the unseen forces guiding you. The universe is always working behind the scenes, orchestrating events in ways beyond your comprehension. Just because you cannot see the path does not mean it isn't unfolding perfectly. Trust that what is meant for you will always find you, even if you don't yet know how. Fear of the unknown keeps you stuck. It creates resistance, stress, and hesitation. It makes you second-guess yourself, delay important decisions, and miss opportunities that could change your life. But faith propels you forward. When you believe that life is happening for you, not against you, you step into a space of flow rather than fear. Think about a time when you took a leap of faith, whether in your career, relationships, or personal growth. At the time, it may have felt risky or uncertain, but in hindsight, you can likely see how everything worked out in your favor. The same principle applies to every unknown situation you face. Instead of fearing uncertainty, welcome it as an opportunity for growth, adventure, and unexpected blessings. Accepting uncertainty as part of the process leads to a stress-free life. When you stop resisting the unknown, you create space for miracles to unfold. Instead of asking, what if things go wrong? Shift your mindset to, what if everything turns out better than I imagined? Let go of the need to control every outcome. Step forward with confidence, even when you cannot see the full picture. The greatest breakthroughs happen when you trust in the unseen, embrace uncertainty, and move forward with faith. Life is not meant to be figured out all at once. It is meant to be experienced. And that's the power of letting go and allowing the universe to think for you. When you stop overanalyzing and start trusting, life begins to unfold effortlessly in your favor. The universe already knows the way. All you have to do is align with it. If this message resonated with you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more insights, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Comment below. What's one moment in your life where things fell into place perfectly without you forcing it? Let's inspire each other with our experiences. Thank you for watching, and remember, trust, let go, and watch the universe work its magic. See you in the next one.